Haskell theory code sleep pattern make. Assalamualaikum viewer, how are I hope you are well. So today I will show you how to make ladies sleepy a code sleep pattern and Haskell theory code sleep pattern making tutorial. So watch the full video. Sleep length 25 inch, cup opening 10 inch. So let's see code sleep pattern making, Haskell theory sleep pattern making. Like and share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell button icon for next video. Let's starting Haskell theory code sleep pattern. First I drawing vertical a line inside 1 inch from paper 8. This is sleep in seam line. Here I draw horizontal a line. This is sleep head line, shoulder point line. Haskell 80 inch divided by 8. We got 2/4 inch. This is sleep cap cross point line. Haskell 1/3 of 1. Haskell third of 1 6 inch. This is sleep cap height. Sleep length 25 divided by 2. We got 12 half inch plus 2 and 2 inch 14 half inch. 14 half inch. This is elbow point and code sleep length 25 inch. Haskell 80 inch more plus 7 inch 25 and 2 inch seam margin. Sleep cross point line, sleep bicep width line, sleep elbow width line, sleep cup line and 2 inch margin. Sleep hem 2 inch margin. Here 3/4 inch inward or sleep curve shape line, sleep in seam line, sleep front seam line. Now here I make sleep bicep with Haskell 18 inch halves to half 9 inch half inch plus bicep with 9.5 divided by 2. We got 4 and 3/4 inch. This is sleep middle line 1 inch inside sleep cross point 1 inch up from bicep line, sleep cross line, front sleep cross line, back sleep head line, front sleep head line, back sleep head line. Now here I make sleep cup opening. Haskell 1/3 6 inch plus half inch sleep opening, half inch down and back sleep side, half inch upward and front sleep side, sleep cup opening line, bicep with 9.5. Here half inch less 9 inch. This is sleep elbow width, sleep back side line, back sleep seam line, back sleep side 1.5 inch inward for front sleep. Before video front part I already uploaded. Now sleep pattern making. This line for front sleep, half inch inward mark back side tip line, 1/4 inch down for sleep gap height for small sleep, half inch sleep, half inch small sleep, half inch small sleep and back cross point tips line. Haskell theory code sleep pattern making. Sleep armor line, small sleep armor line middle, half inch upward for back sleep side. Now I measure here to here. We found 1/3/4 half 7/8 half plus here 7/8 inch front armor line. Sleep armor line, under sleep armor line, placket length 4.5 inch, 1.5 inch placket width, sleep placket, sleep green line, ladies sleep peak, code sleep pattern, drafting finish. Haskell theory code sleep pattern, drafting finish. Now I start cutting the cut sleep pattern for ladies sleep peak. Like, share, comment on this video. Here I copy for under sleep. Here I make under sleep based on top sleep. Copy for under sleep. Haskell theory, ladies sleep peak, code sleep pattern, drafting and cutting. Under sleep armor line drawing. The cut under sleep Haskell theory code sleep pattern making. Now here I make sleep placket. See working as the same I work make sleep placket Haskell theory ladies sleep pit code pattern making. Like, share, comment on this video. Now finally see sleep arbol crown line shape, back side crown shape line, front side front crown sleep shape line, total armhole and sleep crown shape line. Now I final measurement sleep crown line, ½ inch. Body final armhole line measurement, body armhole final measurement 9 inch front, 14 inch, ½ inch. Body 19½ inch, sleeve 20½ inch, ½ inch 1 inch plus for sleeve loose. Sleeve loose and gathering 1 inch, sharing at sleeve headline. Haskell theory code sleeve pattern drafting and cutting finish. Like and share, comment on this video. Subscribe my channel for next video. Thanks for watching.